All right, so let's learn how to use this thing. This is the power battery backup. So, you know, when power go out, your electric equipment is still working good for a certain amount of time. So let's learn. Let's first push this power button. Now it's not plugged up. See, it's not plugged up. And here's your battery right here. You got 90 minutes. See, 90 minutes of power. So let me push this mute button. I'm trying to see, will the sound go down? What's this? Okay, there it is. That's what I was looking for. I was trying to get that sound. All right, let's go. Here we go. See? That's what tells you how many minutes you have on your power, on your battery here. This is event. I don't know that one. Input. Okay. Let's see what's this one. Alright, what is the settings? Output. Oh, it went off. You got escape. I forgot what it is because it's in the manual. Because you get the thing. It's two things. It's a page where it's a envelope. I mean, a book where it tell you how to change the battery, and then there's one that tells you what all this stuff means. You get what I'm saying? So look at it. Got 187 minutes left. So let me try it here. We're gonna hook the TV up and see what happens. This is the TV plug right here, and you have to plug it into one of these. This is your backup battery plugs, not this one, because this is like you hook it up when the system is hooked up. When this is hooked up to the wall, that's when you plug your stuff in. But when you're on battery, you put it in here. And hold on. And we're gonna hook the flat screen TV up. You've seen me unbox this. This is the 43-inch TV. We're gonna hook this up and see how it works. Plugged in. There we go. Because this other one, I don't know what this top one is, but this one is put in. All right. Okay, we had it. See, we're at 184 minutes. Hold on. All right, let's power it up. Ooh, it works. Look. Look, we got deep impact. All this stuff. Look at that. So it do work. But like I said, that's how much time you have. You feel what I'm saying? Let me see. We're going to try. What we're trying to do is because let me put it on mute. Okay. See, so look at that. It's powering up. See, it's on. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. And see, look how it is. It's one at 182 an hour. I mean, 182 minutes. Look at that. Dang, it's down to 88 minutes. Because that TV is powered. It's powered up off that TV. No, there we go. Let's see. Estimated time. Oh, wait, estimated time. Then go your battery. So yeah. Hold on, let me see if I can plug something else in. All right, so let's hook this. Now this is to my laptop while being hooked in at the same time. Put that one of these bottom ones. Damn. Okay, see? It's in the laptop. See, now the laptop is in. Let's see. Ooh, that's a big, look at that big drop. That's a big drop once you put your laptop in it. Dang. Estimate time 86 to 1. So hold on. Alright, so laptop is on. See? This is on YouTube. And look at that. Because see, my battery's not, it's okay. This battery's okay on this laptop, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah. Hold on. Alright, let's see how we looking. So we got the TV and the laptop hooked up to this thing. Got 72 minutes left. Look at that. 71 minutes. See. So you got two big major appliances hooked up to this thing when your power goes out. You get what I'm saying? So it's not that bad, but I don't think it's gonna handle heavy gaming equipment. I don't know. We'll try to see, but yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. So that's it.